This simple method will change your life forever, because if you're relying on willpower to quit smoking, you're setting yourself up to fail. Self-control is not a long-term strategy. It's a trap. And today, I'll show you a smarter way to quit, in just 1 week. Watch till the end, this one shift can finally set you free. Part 1, The Truth About Self-Control. Most people try to quit smoking by fighting their cravings head-on. They tell themselves, I just need to be stronger, resist harder, try more. But here's the truth, self-control is like a muscle, it gets tired. It works in short bursts, not forever. You can fight temptation for an hour, maybe a day. But what happens on a bad day, when you're stressed, emotional, or triggered? You cave. You relapse. You tell yourself, just one puff. And the cycle starts again. So the answer is not to fight your cravings, it's to make them invisible. Part 2, The Invisible Cue Method. Smoking doesn't start with the cigarette. It starts with a cue, a trigger, a ritual. For example, you smoke when you drink coffee. You smoke when you hang out with a friend. You smoke when you see that pack in your pocket. These are invisible traps that force you into the habit without thinking. So the method is simple, make the cues invisible. Part 3, Actionable Strategy. 1. Don't carry cigarettes or a lighter with you. If it's not in your pocket, it's not a constant reminder. 2. Change your coffee routine. If you always smoke while drinking coffee, switch to tea, or skip the cafe. It's not about quitting coffee forever, just disrupting the pattern. 3. Avoid smoke partners. If your friend joins you on smoke breaks, stop taking breaks with them for a while. Change your walking route, or take breaks at a different time. 4. Store cigarettes in a hard-to-reach place. Not in your drawer, not on the table. Put them in a box, inside a bag, locked away, on top of a shelf. So you have to put in effort just to get to them. The more invisible and inaccessible, the better. It's not about being stronger. It's about being smarter. Part 4, What Happens in 1 week. When you do this consistently, you don't even get the urge to smoke, because the cue that triggers it is gone. And if you go 3 to 4 days without smoking, your body starts resetting. By day 7, your brain begins to rewire. And that's how you quit smoking without fighting. If this helped you, take the first step today. Remove one trigger right now. Just one. And if you want more science-backed methods to quit any bad habit and transform your life, subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with someone who needs it. Remember, you don't rise to the level of your motivation, you fall to the level of your system. You don't have to fight harder. Just set up your environment so that you never need to fight at all. You've got this.